Here is everything we did on our first day sa Da Nang, Vietnam. This is a 4 days and 3 nights na trip. Included sa package ang round-trip airfare with 20 kilos baggage, pati yung hotel, daily breakfast and other meals, pati yung private transportation, entrance fees, and tour guide. Alam namin marami kaming makakasabay so maaga kami nagpunta sa Naiya and doon pa lang meron na nag-assist at nagbigay na instructions. The flight is about 2.5 hours at ang bili nila pagdating daw sa Da Nang ay isuot namin ng sticker na to para makita kami ng tour guide namin. Nag-withdraw na ako dito ng 2 million dong or less than 5,000 pesos pang pocket money. Tapos nagsimula na yung tour natin. Yung tour guide namin kamukha ni Chito Miranda. Our first stop is breakfast. And yung breakfast, lunch, and dinner natin for today kasama na rin yan sa tour. Wala ka nang gagastusin. After breakfast, dumiretso na kami sa Lady Buddha. Ang ganda dito kasi overlooking siya ng dagat. Merong garden, maraming sculptures, and several picture-worthy spots. Dito pa lang makakakota ka na ng maraming pictures and videos. Sa labas nito, meron ding pagoda at dito maraming mag-o-offer to take your photos and to print it out for only 100 pesos. After nun, dinala nila kami sa Dingalan. Charot! I think ito yung view of their peninsula. Marami ring mga tumatambay dyan. Pagdating ng lunch, sobrang gutom namin. Hindi ko na na-videohan pero around 7 different dishes yung sinerve with unlimited rice and then dumiretso na kami sa hotel. Yung room namin has a really beautiful view of the city and then binigyan kami dito ng 3 hours para magpahinga. Pagdating ng hapon, dinala kami dito sa may coconut boat ride kung saan pinaikot-ikot kami dyan nung bangkero. Nakakahilobi. Pero enjoy naman. You should try it at least once. Sa kalagitnaan ng boat ride, may area kung saan sinayawan at kinantahan pa kami ng Tagalog song ni Kuya. Ang bongga nung dinner namin. Sobrang na-enjoy namin yan. Parang 9 dishes yata yung nakaserve. Merong soup, there's chicken, pork. Siyempre, hindi nawawala yung tofu. There's also egg rolls. Pinaka nagustuhan namin yung stir-fried na pork and shrimp. Medyo maanghang. And then yung super garlicky na baby squid. And yung catfish na niluto nila with black beans. Meron din tayong dalawang vegetable dishes. Ang sarap nitong salad na may lato. And then yung dessert natin ay fresh fruits. After dinner, pinasakay kami dito sa mga parang minibus na electric cars papunta sa Hoi An Ancient Village. They are famous for their colorful silk lanterns. Tapos dito nga rin tong boat ride na malatangled ang dating. Marami nagsaserve ng refreshments by the river. Pero kung hindi mo naman yung type, marami ka ring pagpipilian dito na magagandang cafes and restaurant. Ang galing ng mga gumagawa nila ng sculptures. Very detailed. Pinagtitinda rin ng custom na leather and silk items. Makakapag-shopping ka rin dito kasi meron ding night market kung saan maraming parang tiyanggihan and nagtitinda ng mga street food. Jam-packed and pagod yung first day itinerary namin but it was fun. And I can't wait to tell you about our second day kasi nagpunta kami sa napakagandang French village.